Actor Darshan's new plan is to stay in Mysore even after the deadline. Actor Darshan Thugudipa, who was jailed in the Renukaswamy murder case, has been granted bail by the High Court. Many conditions have been imposed on Darshan while granting bail. However, with permission from the court, Darshan is going to Mysore and resting. Darshan had requested permission to rest in Mysore for some time. The court also agreed to this. Accordingly, the court allowed Darshan to stay in Mysore till 5th December. So the deadline given to Darshan has expired only yesterday. According to the rules, Darshan has to leave Mysore today. However, it is said that Darshan has decided to stay in Mysore for a few more days. So it is said that they are going to seek permission from the court to extend the deadline again. Currently, Darshan prefers to stay in Mysore than Bangalore and wants to rest for a few more days in his own farmhouse there. It is being said that Darshan is thinking of filing an appeal to the court to extend the deadline as there may be no hassle in Mysore. There is a possibility that he will go to court today, and if the court agrees, it is said that Darshan will stay back in Mysore. The High Court granted bail to actor Darshan in the Chitradurga Renukaswamy murder case. Darshan, who was undergoing treatment at BGS Hospital in Bangalore, stayed there for a few weeks. After getting bail, Darshan was allowed to go to Mysore. Later, he moved from Bangalore to his farmhouse in Mysore and is resting. In the farmhouse, Darshan is resting in his own atmosphere and relieved from the headache of the murder case. They are cool spending time with the animals they have raised in the farmhouse. Currently, the court has allowed Darshan to stay in Mysore only till yesterday. Darshan is being told that he does not want to leave Mysore as the deadline has passed. Due to this reason, he has decided to stay in the farmhouse in Mysore for some more time, and it is said that he is going to ask the court to extend the deadline for this. It is said that since he is undergoing treatment in Mysore recently, he will also inform the court that he will continue his treatment in Mysore for the same reason. If the court does not allow this, Darshan will inevitably have to return to Bangalore.